Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaica, and you know that I am your lady Tania, and I know that you're longing for the update to get some more information about Sophie. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you an update on Sophia, guys, on what has been happening with her. And also remember, we had said that when the potatoes are ready, we will do an update of her reaping her potatoes. So today guys, she is actually reaping her potatoes.
Yeah man, because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania.
So I am just so happy for her and this opportunity to be here to see her getting her potatoes out of the ground, and hoping that all is well. But guys, before we go into that video, I want you to look at this video of the latest update that was done on the house. All right, thanks. It's working.
Okay. So I break the camera, Mr. No, I break the camera.
Yeah. So you're a member of the community?
Yes, miss.
Just helping Sophie?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Thank you
Yes, okay.
for helping out.
Yes, okay.
Oh Lord, now we have Mr. Derek over here.
Real man.
He's a real man.
Yeah.
How has it been going so far?
Pretty good. Pretty good. As a matter of fact, it's moving faster than I expected.
Yes.
And I'm getting additional support, so I really appreciate your support and this from members
Yes.
of the community.
And guys, remember that he's most of the work that he's doing is free.
Yes.
You know, no funding is there to support whatever he's doing right now. But hopefully, is Sophia grateful?
So far, yes, she has shown some
Yes.
support. Yeah.
So everybody is putting together. The children, they are working to make this a success. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, so when they're done, they must know if you do trade.
I taught him how to lay black clay. He laid about the second row with those black.
Yeah.
One of the doors.
Okay. So look here, outer block house and the board house, which one is more expensive?
The black house is more expensive.
Oh, the block house cost a bit
It's
more.
more expensive, but it's more long lasting.
Oh, long lasting.
Lifetime too, but the board one now they might do repair on those.
Okay.
Life lasting.
Alright, so what we have here.
This is a living room, the controversial living room. We're literally trying to complete it today in blocking up, that is.
Yes.
So from Monday we start to do the panel. We're trying to complete it this evening.
So this is the living room, but it looks like our door is going to be here. Oh. Okay, so it's almost, a window is over there?
Door over that side and that window right there.
Oh. Okay. Okay, it's a lot of work, man.
Complete this partition wall.
Mm-hmm.
We are trying to complete that one to the almost complete that one around that and this.
Oh, but it's spacey. This is the what? The kitchen?
No, this is our bedroom house.
Oh, this is a bedroom.
Another bedroom.
But it looks really nice.
Again, over here right there.
Yeah, alright.
Yes, miss. This way
And the other one. Okay, hi sir. You're working. Oh, spaces. But what are you going to do about here?
We're gonna cut the door.
Cut the
inside
door
of our
right here.
bathroom. Right. We're gonna take this down. So then we have the passageway to stop here. Go into the bedroom, to the bathroom. From both personal can use the bathroom and the bedroom.
Okay. It's almost done. If they have access to all the materials, it will be completed. Not true?
It will be completed in a short while.
Yeah, it's coming on fine. The living room. So she's still gonna put on the veranda or no?
We're gonna put up a sort of a patio like at the front.
Oh yes, yes.
Standing area, so just walk up.
And that is better. Hey, you're working though. I heard that you lay some blocks today. How was it? Eh?
Okay guys, that was where the project ended. All the materials were used up and there are no more materials to continue the house. So the house had to stop there, right? It was built all the way up to the top, now just awaiting the roofing and some windows to go in. We're hoping that Sophia will be able to purchase the rest of the materials to complete the house. We also want to thank Mr. Derek Wint and friends for their hard work.
Okay guys, so you have just seen that video where the guys, they have worked, they have contributed, they have used up all the materials that she had at that time. So there are no more materials, no more money came in to support her, to help her to continue to finish the house. So guys, that was where the house left off. So now let us look at her into the field, digging her potatoes and moving on. But before so, let me just do a quick interview with Sophie to hear what has been happening, how things has been going and all of that throughout that long period of time. It's been about 2 months now, no? So 3? Maybe about 3 to 4 months where we haven't heard much from Sophia or heard anything, but you know, glory to God, we're here with her and getting this update and to see what is actually happening, guys. Okay guys, so here we have Sophie. She's looking so young. If you can look on her face, I don't know if because she plait up the hair or so on, guys, but Sophia is actually looking so young at the moment. So when I came on, the first thing I said, Sophia, how you look so young, you know, and everything. But Sophia, how has things been going?
Okay, good. Good morning, viewers, and how are you? Hope everybody is blessed. We know we have the pandemic and lots of things going on throughout the few months. So I'm giving God thanks. It could have been worse, but thank God I'm alive today and well. It's been rough and challenges for the few months that passed. My biggest challenge now is to finish the house. That is my dream. I wanted the house so bad that I can able to move in and let my children have a comfortable space. Me also want this space, so it been a challenge. So today now I'm digging the sweet potato to see how much money that could it be to see if I can get to put on the house. So I'm asking you guys, I know it's been a challenges, please, if you can continue to support me that the house can finish.
And remember guys, all the materials that she had purchased, all the materials were used up.
Yes.
So because we don't have any more materials and no more money, it was unable to continue with the house.
Yes.
But I know that a lot of you out there, you're excited to get the update and to hear what has been happening. Okay guys, so you would have remembered the field where the potatoes were planted. It was what, about 4 months ago?
Yes.
So they were planted about 4 months ago, and the Sophia is here hard at work digging her potatoes. Guys, if you're looking, you can see where the potatoes, they are huge. Look at this one. This one is huge. Sophie, quick question about how much a pound for potatoes?
Alright, it's $150 a pound, but they're going to buy it for $80.
Oh, because you're going to sell it wholesale.
Yes.
So they're 150 dollars Jamaican per pound, and then all of this line come up. This is one row you got all of these from that are here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4-row.
Oh, you got those from 4.
Yes, but I did pick up some already, so she didn't have them.
Oh, so there are some over there. So let me just go and look at those one, and then you show me in action as to how you go about getting out the potatoes, alright? Ooh.
Yeah, they come in over
Er,
there.
Yep, no, that is no problem. Whoa, oh my God. Sophie, I how the potato them big, so?
Yes, I remember we did have the drought and it.
Look man, the big old fluffy one here. Oh my God, guys, you're seeing this?
If some
Huh?
of them was here.
And this is about
contribute.
4 row you're gone already, you say? For these are only those.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 row. About 7 row, not you?
So how much row you have leave?
Remember we have all over this
All
side.
over that side. Oh my God, guys.
And you know,
Look.
be the right way because through the drought did and it
Yeah.
be the right way. So if the rain did a fall,
Yes.
oh my God, here we
Yes,
full
I
of
would
potato.
have a lot.
Yes, and they would have
I can't believe that. So look here, the slips that are over there, them are just good anywhere.
Yes.
But you can plant them back.
Yes, but you know, finish take out. We just have to take out the big one and leave the small one them in the ground.
I never
swell up.
happy for somebody so in my life yet.
Yes.
Alright, and then you will get your market and
Yes.
such on.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so Michelle and friends, they would
Yes,
be
we're
proud of you.
Yes, true.
Yes, at this
Yes,
moment.
true.
But guys, let me show you. Look at them again. Sweet potatoes from Sophie's farm.
Very nice because choose their taste it first.
Let me tell you, I am going to take one of this with me to taste it
Yes.
because it look very delicious.
Yes, it's very delicious.
Yes, alright. So
You know, on Facebook, we never say you come on Facebook.
yeah, because I'm not depending for so long.
Yes, so when they come now,
Guys, this potato is from Sophie's farm. You know that they're digging right now and they're getting them out of the soil. This is what I'm proud of her for. Remember guys, she said that she had the drought, so she did not get the right amount that was needed, out of this. So I am definitely so proud of her to see the potatoes that she's getting out of the farm that she had planted. So right now, oh, look at this one she's giving me. Woo! Look at this one, guys. Straight out of Sophie farm. May I tell you, look at this. When you cook this, I'm letting you know that the mere must taste really sweet. Alright? Ooh. Okay, so Sophie has some help here. Oh, you finished dig that one. I'm going to do some more. So what happened, guys? Sophie has 2 gentlemen helping her out.
One is his brother. One of his family.
Oh, family! They're family, which is great. So Sophie has some wonderful family here.
Brother.
Oh, his brother. Is your brother Sophie? The 2 of them?
No.
Oh, one is the brother. Oh, so one is Sophie brother. Guys, they're camera shy. But I'm showing you.
This now you don't make sense to take this out. You cover back this to make them swell out more.
Oh.
Small.
So how you know when to come back to them?
When to come back to them.
Yeah, because you say.
You can check it,
Oh.
You give them a period of time.
Yeah.
Depends on the weather.
Okay, so the water contribute to allow them to swell.
Yeah.
Oh, so what is that you're using to dig?
It's a stick just to soften up the air
Okay.
as a hand.
Yes.
So, more soft for the air, more easy.
Easier it is to dig it out. Oh my God.
But you don't get the right beard because it's still young.
Yeah.
So.
Is the drought, as she was saying that the drought,
Yeah, the dry time, the difference.
yeah, contribute to it.
They do.
Oh, and they never bear, not true?
No, they're not ready for beer yet. They're not beer before December.
Let me see, get one there. So. Okay. So you just do it, go all the way down.
All the way down.
Okay.
Then feet down, you go back up again.
Yeah. So guys, we're just happy for Sophie and to see this and the update on getting the potatoes out of the ground, the sweet potatoes. You know, the gentlemen, and they're really working hard. So what they were saying, guys, is due to the drought, not all of them full out, so they have to cover them back up to let them full out a little bit more. But Sophie, how you know when to dig them though? Oh, you check on them often?
They slip. They plant it and they run off. They slip after a while. If you know about it, they slip. It change color.
Oh.
Alright, so I start put on
What color it change to? Look here. What color the slip change to?
Just like how you see these.
Oh, it changed to brown.
Then start from blossom on it. Look one.
Oh, so this is one with the purple blossom right here. Yes. Oh, okay. This is nice. So you're digging where the slip is?
Yeah, because when you dig where the root is,
Yes.
you feel.
Oh,
So when you feel,
yeah.
it's like this, you don't have to dig this go any further.
Yes.
Because you're the small.
Yes.
So the bigger the stem this part is,
Yes.
you know how large the food be down there.
Oh. So you know that one will be big, huge.
Yeah. So when you feel that, you can chill it.
Okay. This is very interesting.
So you don't have to dig it, you know how down this is.
So guys, we're looking at this one. He's going down into the ground. Okay, rest your body. Guys, Sophie is not well, so you can pray her up. Remember her in your prayers.
That can swell out more.
I can swell out a little bit more. Okay. So you said that the slip them can reuse.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank God. Yeah. Look at those bugs. They're young. Maybe a whole stretch go down here.
Up at the top here should be more than down.
Down at the
Down at the
bottom.
bottom.
Okay.
Since I down at the bottom.
Whoa, look at this one.
Since I down at the bottom, too cold.
Yeah. But the dirt is rich, you know see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is one. Alright, I'm go record sir down here so. So is your hand you use on digging? So what happened to your stick?
Dirt soft.
Oh, the dirt is soft, so you don't really have to use a stick.
Yes.
Okay. Let me see those one you have in your hand. Guys, look at this. Wow. Oh, what happened? Oh, that one ain't no good. What caused this to spoil? Oh, the worm. Okay, so Sophia no use a lot of fertility on them. Oh, you have to spray it. Yeah, so you weren't well, so them never get the thing there. So guys, so some more here. Sophie brother and the other gentleman dig. Yeah. Them come out really nice. So what they were saying is that the bottom section don't really bear that much. The top bear a little bit more than the bottom. But we're still happy and grateful that we have. Look at this wasp. Uy, I didn't bite me. Just see me, I get bite.
I mean, ants bite me up.
What, the ants them?
Yes.
Oh God. Oh, me feel tired, so let me just do some walk go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh guys. Alright, so let me just sit down a little bit. But guys, I do the same way as how I am proud of Sophie. I want you to feel the same way, because I'm telling you, the size of those potatoes and the way the sweet potatoes turn out, that is awesome, and they're looking really well. And the greatest thing about it is that the slips they can reuse, where she can plant another crop there again, plant another crop, and keep going. So that is really great. So I am just very proud of her progress so far. All right, so the only problem is, as you have watched the video that I've shown earlier to show where the gentleman had contributed their duties for free, they work and that is to where we could get the house to using up all the materials that were there. All the materials were used. So right now I am going to let Sophie say the final say, because guys, I am going to go on my way, because you know, when I leave I'm going to be so happy and excited, because I'm really proud at this moment. All right, so you're feeling proud of yourself,
Yes,
right?
I'm feeling so proud and happy. Feeling happy and excited.
So what final words do you have to say?
Alright, what final word now? I am asking you viewers, I know it's hard and tough for the support to finish my house. I am asking you, I'm begging you, please. I am really in need. Even send the money to the hardware, and they know the hardware will deliver the material to me. So you can even get the hardware number. If you choose to, I will give it to you, and you can donate your money right there.
Okay.
Please. And bye. I thank you so much, Miss Michelle. Everybody, I want to thank so much for your support. If I never for Chat Jamaica, I would reach this far. I would meet so many people who care, who loving, always call and find out if I'm okay. May God continue to bless you. Make He extend His blessing over your life. And thank you again, Miss Tania, for coming. Bye.
All right. Okay guys, so there you have it. You have heard Sophie's final words, and I just want to thank everybody who has been there for her, supporting, calling, contributing, you know. And she still has a long way to go. I do hope that everything will work out in our favor now until whenever it can be done. But guys, thank you all for your love and your support. In the meantime, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of